Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we will study chapter 13 of English language. The name of our chapter is prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which is used in a sentence to tell us about position and time. So children, preposition are words which we use in a sentence and they tell us about place and time. ऐसे words जो sentence में हमें पोजीशन मीन्स प्लेस और टाइम के बारे में इंडिकेट करते हैं, उन वर्ड्स को हम preposition कहते हैं. In other words, you can also say prepositions are connecting words with join each other. ऐसे शब्द जो वर्ड्स को आपस में ज्वाइन करते हैं, मीनिंगफुल बनाते हैं, such words are also known as prepositions. A preposition is usually put before a noun or a pronoun. We use preposition generally before a noun or a pronoun. Let us see some examples, children. See, you can see a chair and a ball. So see the position of the ball. Where is the ball? Behind the chair. So we have used the word behind. So behind is a preposition. The word behind is a preposition. Next, this is a table, children, and this is a ball. See the position of ball. कि ball कहाँ पर है? Position देखिए. Ball जो है टेबल के आगे रखी है. So we will use the preposition in front of. Next, this is a chair and this is a table, and here is the ball. So, which preposition is suitable, children, for ball? Near, because the ball is near the chair and near the table. Next, see, chair, table, and this is the ball. What is the position of the ball? The ball is in between the table and chair. So we will use the preposition between for ball. Next, table and ball. So the ball is, see, analyze the position of ball. Table के नीचे है ना ball? Yes. So we will use a word under. Under is also a preposition. Next, chair and ball. So position of the ball, analyze it quickly. तो ball जो है chair के ऊपर रखी है ना, so we will use the preposition on. Chair and ball. So ball is just side में है ना ball, तो which preposition we will use? Next to. Excuse me. For this type of situation, we will use the preposition next to. Clear? Let us see some more prepositions. In, on, by, at, for, above, into, in front of, between, under, behind, over, around. So children, these are some words which we use in a sentence as a preposition. Clear? Let us see an example. See this picture. The planets revolve around the sun. Once again, read the sentence carefully. The planets revolve around the sun. Children, just few slides back, we have studied that we use preposition usually just before a noun or a pronoun. हम preposition noun या pronoun के पहले use करते हैं, yes or no? So first in this sentence we will pick out the nouns. So tell me children, nouns in this sentence: planets, good, and sun. These two words are noun in this sentence. So the preposition is around and it is used just before the noun word sun. ये sun जो noun word है उससे पहले ही हमने preposition around use किया. Clear children? Next, the boy lay down on the grass. So now boy and grass. See the position of grass, children, on. So we have used the word preposition as on as a preposition. This boy, ये जो boy घास के ऊपर लेटा है, so we have used the preposition word on in this sentence. The cat is in the basket. Cat and basket are two noun words. We have used, see, the cat is अंदर है ना basket की, so we have used in just before basket. So in is used as a preposition. Remember children, some prepositions tell us about the position of the first noun in relation to the second noun. It means children, position here means place. Sometimes कुछ prepositions ऐसे होते हैं जो sentence में first noun और second noun के बीच में relation क्या है, place क्या है, उसके बारे में हमें define करते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें indicate करते हैं. Clear children? So such type of prepositions, let us see such prepositions children: on, under, into, between, behind, over. So these are some prepositions which are used as a position in a sentence. Let us see an example. The door is between the windows. Once again we will read this sentence. The door is between the windows. So you can see in the picture also, this is the door and two windows. So in this sentence, the preposition word is between. So door जो है दोनों windows के बीच में है. So here the preposition word between is defining or indicating the position of door. कि door दोनों windows के बीच में. Clear? Next, remember children, some prepositions also link words to indicate time. कुछ preposition words ऐसे भी होते हैं जो time को indicate करते हैं. Let us see such type of prepositions: at, by, for, on. So these are some prepositions which are used for indicating time. Let us see an example of this also. All the students come to school by 7:30 a.m. So by is used as a preposition in this sentence children, and it is referring to time. Time को refer कर रहा है कि सारे बच्चे 7:30 तक स्कूल आएंगे. Okay? Clear children? I hope you all have understood the preposition well. So revise this video thoroughly again and again. Thank you.